Hello everyone, welcome to Sweetie Speaks official YouTube channel. Today we are at day 92 of 111 days verification challenge. The skill set which we are focusing on right now is UVM, and today's topic will be UVM agent and config DB. Let's see today's question. The first question is you need to write a UVM agent template and explain each line. UVM agent is one of the components in UVM. You need to write the code syntax for this component along with different methods inside UVM agent and explain what each method does. What is the syntax of each method and what each method does for UVM agent. In UVM agent itself, you can have different modes. Like your UVM agent can be active or passive. You need to explain what are these active and passive modes for the agent. Now, in your UVM agent, you will have a lots of methods. One of these methods is get is active. You need to explain what is this method with a code. Explain what this method does and what is the need of this method. In UVM, we have UVM config DB, which is UVM config database. You need to explain what is UVM config DB along with the syntax and what are methods inside it. And you need to explain the need of UVM config DB. We also have UVM resource DB. You need to explain what is UVM resource DB and again what is the need of UVM resource DB. Next, you need to explain the difference between UVM config DB and UVM resource DB. There is set config method. You need to explain how this method works in UVM. Then what is the difference between set config method and UVM config DB? If you want to use set config and get config method in a sequence, can you do that? You need to explain. Solve these questions today and tomorrow I am going to see you for day 93 challenge. Best luck.